So density is the ratio of mass over volume, and we have to measure mass and volume to answer this problem. What's the density of the object? All right, so a couple ways you can do volume. This one is by displacement. So we're going to find the initial volume of a graduated cylinder filled with some amount of water. It doesn't matter how much water is initially in there, but we're going to have to properly measure that with sig figs. So that line, if you measure the bottom of the meniscus, is like 10.0 or 10.1 or 9.9 is all good. And there's the initial volume. And after we drop this object in, the water level rises. Doesn't look realistic, but it says images are not drawn to scale. Alright, so we're going to measure this final volume right there. Looks like it's the meniscus is the bottom of the meniscus is right at 38 to me. So 38, we'll still need to estimate a digit. 38.0, I'll say. Right. You can say 37.9 or 38.1. That'd be fine. All right, and so that is going to be the final volume. So to get the change in the volume, or that part here, the volume, we're going to take the final volume minus the initial volume, and that is going to be 38 minus 10. It's going to be 28.0 milliliters. All right, so there's our volume, and the scale tells us the mass. So let's just plug these numbers in. The mass is right from the scale is 38.2 grams, and that's going to go over the volume that we just measured is 28.0 milliliters. Both our measurements have 3 significant figures. Our answer should have 3 as well. Let's punch these numbers in our calculator. 38.2 divided by 28. Answer is 1.36. There's a 4 after it, so that's going to keep our last digit the same. And the unit is grams per milliliters.